Good evening. It's Ethan here. Today is Wednesday, January 15th, 2024.
Definitely not copying that one status checker.
Yeah.
Hell no.
And I happen to have some time just to get all the way here just to make an update. And the last Tropicana update came out last Friday.
It got
And
me screaming so fucking loud.
Guess what?
I can literally
That one
the sound
water
barrier.
cooler surviving is now gone.
Hey, get out! Hey, bro,
But
hey,
the
hold on.
tree is
We're gonna
still there.
Oh, tree. Yo, let me go play the background music. If I have it, let me go find it. This is gonna be so funny with the background music. Here we go. It's this one. Let's see if it even fucking works. Here we go. Yo. Remember? Remember the water thing, bro?
Yeah.
The damn water cooler? You know what happened. It's gone. Where did it go?
Yeah. Guess what happened to it? That Demolition update guy, the one making that video, took it home with him. And his name is Duntov, by the way.
Okay.
And it's right in front of his house.
Get out!
In front of his garage, actually.
Yeah, what? How did he manage?
I know. I wonder how he got it. Maybe the demolition crew just took it out somewhere, out of the site somewhere,
Yo, what?
and then that guy took it. And but the water bottle on top is not there.
Yeah, it's kind of missing it. Dude, I
And-
literally overreacted when I saw it on Friday. I saw the status check on Friday.
Yeah,
I screamed so loud.
It
I
was-
went to the sound
yeah.
barrier and only to realize it was a meme.
it was the
I
best
serious-
update ever because just because of that ending. Now it became a meme.
That damn. Hey, plot twist. Ending. Yeah. Okay.
And also, he got some casino chips in a Ziploc bag too. And
don't
those
even know
casino
how.
chips are found underground.
Why
And
do you
still have some
underground,
concrete
bro?
on them. I don't know.
No clue.
Yeah, someone just want to bury them somewhere.
That doesn't even
I
make
think.
sense.
Yeah. So congratulations, Duntov, for
News in the chat.
saving the water cooler. Yeah. Yay. You got it.
Baby.
That's nice. And on Monday, another Mirage update came out.
At least it's
And-
not painful as the predecessor.
Yeah, it's just a continuation from the last update. And the atrium is now stripped down to its metal frame.
What? I
And-
don't get these fucking at all.
And now, and that means the outer part of the frame is now gone.
Actual trick?
I don't know what to do. Looks like they want to remake the whole atrium or something.
Oh my God.
I don't know. I don't know what's gonna be like.
Oh, they make it-
And also, they are scraping off more of the Beatles Love Rap.
Are you kidding me, bro?
And now more than one corner of it is now gone. And it will be a long process because there are 3 quadrants in all, front and back, both sides. And looks like they're gonna take a few months just to scrape them off or something.
I can see that, bro.
Yeah. And then the Mirage will be officially unbranded.
Oh, except for that one entryway.
And I don't know what's the inside's gonna be like, the worms.
Yeah, the roads, man.
Yeah, I can't see it. I'm not sure what it looks like right now.
You better not run out stuff you out about.
And I don't know when the next update for Tropicana or Mirage gonna come out. I don't know what's gonna happen next. And I don't know when the Mirage will be officially unbranded or when Yeah, gotta be soon. Yeah, you're quick now. And I don't know when the Tropicana will be completely gone with all those piles of junk gone.
Somewhere in March, right?
Yeah, it gotta be somewhere in March, according to that Demolition update.
Yeah, that's the other thing that's fast, Jack.
And in April, they will start to build a new stadium on site. 1 year later from closure of the top.
Oh, that's
I know.
painful to think about, but
I know. Maybe it could be exactly 1 year later. Never know. Shit.
so quick, but I don't know why they have to close Tropicana right after parade.
Yeah.
Like,
It's close
what
after
was
April
that?
Fools. I don't know why.
That's a little bad timing, just.
And
Some people might not believe it.
yeah.
Get it?
And also 2 days before its 67th anniversary too. Yeah, the top's birthday is on April 4th,
Ain't it?
1957.
Oh man. Isn't it 68, man? Oh man, we took away.
And the driveway is closed off right now.
Oh. Why is it so crowded?
Yeah, it was crowded today. I don't know why. And also on Friday,
What?
there was an event happening at the nearby Marriott.
Yeah.
And that's why I see a ton of people on the streets.
Yeah, it was funny, but it was crazy.
Yeah, it was craziest time ever. Just happened to go there that time.
What the time is.
Wow, it's just timage. And it smells like gasoline over there too.
You know what I
Ew.
I put
Ew.
the song onto my
Woo!
same song.
Strong.
Keep it loaded
The
up.
gasoline's so strong. Yeah.
Yeah, no cap. I just literally loaded it up. I just saved the song today.
Yes.
So I can now play it on demand whenever I want. Hey, why is it smelling like gasoline?
I know. I know where he came from. I know.
I can see the place over there.
Yeah. I'm heading towards the site right now. Getting near.
You know what the gas
Yuck.
can't believe I had to play that.
And let's see what's happening today. And now on to the update. I don't know it's much happening. I know when something new gonna happen again. I don't know. Still pretty much dead right now. I think. With a ton of equipment in there. Yeah, it looks like a ton of boxes and stuff. And some pipes too.
Pipes, at least it's not the metal pipes. I don't even know what they're made of. Not the funny ones that cling, right?
Yeah, see.
Oh.
And here's that window with no glass on it again.
Okay, which is almost out of windows. Wait,
Yeah.
this is the only one? Okay.
That's the only one
That's
that
weird.
has window off.
What the hell? What for?
I don't know. I'm wondering still. I don't know. Looks like they're gonna replace the glass.
Yo, same for heat.
I got to watch.
Oh man. And also, yo,
Yeah.
metal pipes. You saw the metal pipes, right?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
There's still the drinks on the windowsill.
I know. I don't know they
Yep, they're still
ever
here.
go away at all. Nope. I don't know why the construction workers leave them behind for. If they're drinking something, I don't get them at all. And it looks like no sign of fans at all.
Oh, enough of that.
And
bro.
I didn't think they're gonna use them anymore. I think they just gonna put it away somewhere. Maybe load it on a truck and drove it away or something. I'm not really sure.
Get out of here, bro. It's fair. Even this one here. This stupid thing. All we found left is this stupid guy filming the freaking video.
And
The hell, bro?
there is a peace sign on that window and it said 1 people, 1 planet.
How the hell do you even notice that? Don't say.
I don't know what it's here for. Let's head to the front now.
Okay, where the freaking wall is?
Let's see the wagon.
Why the progress is so slow? Why do you see the
I don't know. Looks like the progress is slowing down for here too.
Oh my god, Captain fan. Saying everything that I said.
Ew.
Elevated.
The elevator in. You can see the elevator from there. In that building.
That you definitely took.
Yeah.
Like multiple times, right?
Yeah, looks like I take it every time I'm here.
Oh damn. I want to maybe see you super an apple every time you
Yeah, I think we.
go read and that's money.
And this, someone left a little water bottle behind on the bench.
What phone?
I don't know why. And let's get up here again. And here's the wagon. Here's the front yard again. And nothing much happening there. Just the wall. Open up.
Okay, you got enough for that. Every time.
Yeah, every time I'm looking at the front yard of this place. Yeah.
Freaking wall. You know what else has a freaking wall? Stop getting the wall.
All we can watch, yeah. All beloved hotels too. Yeah, because they all get demolished.
You know what wall
I can't.
I'm looking at? The Mirage one.
Yeah, it's have Hard Rock logos all over it.
It's so disgusting.
Yeah. Don't even look at that. Try to stay away.
PTSD and 0.001
Yeah.
millisecond.
Yeah. Yeah. And here's the headquarters again. And it's still peeled off. It's just old.
Yep, just like the driveway. That's right.
Yeah.
Dude, I swear if a disaster comes up
Yeah,
tomorrow,
no.
I'm gonna crash out.
I know there's gonna be a Tropicana update gonna come out tomorrow or Friday. Never know. Yeah, it could come out any day of the week, any weekday.
Did it ever come out on weekends? I forgot.
Maybe not much. Just more on weekdays, on weekend.
But it's still possible. It's just a low chance.
It's just a little chance. Yeah. Now let's see what happens next to the top. If one comes up soon.
It's not gonna be as funny as that last.
Yeah.
Beat that.
Yeah, because he took that water cooler away
Dude.
and took it home. So
That's
funny to
the only
look
one
at.
that's positive. The other one's like negative.
Yeah, because I don't want anything.
Or extra negative. That's painful.
Yes.
You know what's painful to watch? That one to watch one.
Yeah. Yeah,
Both of them actually.
that was the worst
two
one
for some
ever.
reason.
Yeah, it was the worst one ever,
Yeah,
yeah.
I don't know what it was 2, but 2 in 1 week is
Yeah, because, yeah, the progress gone fast. That's why you want to make another one.
Yeah, those 2 were so painful.
Yeah.
I started tearing up for that.
Yeah.
One, like, Wednesday.
Yeah, the windows are gone from the atrium.
Yeah.
Not looking good at all.
Started getting PTSD rush.
Ouch.
And yeah, I remember my top being in that damn thing.
Yeah.
And I started tearing up.
Yeah. We just see out there and stuff.
We were only there once, bro, for
Yeah.
a 5-week span. That's
Yes,
it.
sir. Aww.
We walked through it every time we want to go to our road.
Oh. Yeah. No. It's all demolished.
Trivial PTSD, bro. Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, gonna give me pain now and stuff.
God damn.
And there's a table behind this gate. I don't know why.
There's a lot of weird stuff.
Yeah, it's just a lot of weird stuff. I know.
Coffee fan, bro. Chill.
I don't know what's going on in this place now.
Yeah, I didn't even know they're even making progress.
I don't know they're gonna make progress on it or not. I don't know.
Are they just working on the ceilings?
I don't know they're gonna work on anything right now. Or maybe
Look at that ceiling.
maybe they want to wait until later or something. I'm not sure.
What it's for?
And I wonder what will happen next here. If they're gonna go back to work.
All the metal parts on the ceiling.
Oh no, I don't know what these pipes I'm seeing for. And that build-up gonna become separate rooms.
Okay. That's what the metal pipes are for.
I think.
Or putting up on the
Putting it
ceiling.
up.
Or near the ceiling.
Those frames on the walls or something. And looks like nothing much happening right now. Maybe just let's end the video here for now. So bye for now. See you on Friday for another update. And I wonder what will happen on Friday. And also stay tuned for more Mirage and Tropicana updates if you care about those hotels. So have fun. Bye.